Ira nĩ tũrakorirwo nĩ andũ na nĩ thigari cia thirikari itũ ya Kenya manyitanĩte me thigari cia NIS na cia CID na thigari regular maratũhũra nĩ ũndũ wa ũici wa parking itũ. Na nyũmba ici nĩ citũ na itina thirĩ wa mũndũ na ithuĩ na title deed. Mũndũ agakũhenia atĩ haha he nyũmba ya reri, haha hatirĩ nyũmba ya andũ a reri, ici nyũmba nĩ citũ. Tũgũrĩte nyũmba ici kuma harĩa gũthiĩ mũico arĩa tũrĩ andũ ta ana ũguo kana atano, different people arĩa managũra nyũmba raini ĩno. Na parking ĩyo ĩraiywo nĩ ĩrĩa parking itũ tũrĩ ithuothe. Na parking ĩyo na nĩ njie, ona rĩu tũraria ũguo no gwaka maraka, no kũiya maraiya. Thirikari nĩ tũkirĩire tondũ nĩ maramenya ũrĩa kũrathiĩ na mbere. No na ithuĩ maithori marĩa tũrĩrĩte President witũ William Ruto na Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua ũguo matũkirĩra tũgĩtunywo indo citũ, tũkĩanangĩrwo indo citũ. Ngai wa matu-inĩ ũrĩa wamũheire hinya wa kũingĩra itĩ-inĩ icio, mũmenye ndakuĩte na ndarĩ toro na no egũtũhũranĩra. Wa kerĩ, o ũguo thigari icio iratũhũrire kinya tũraire thibitarĩ tũkũinũkaga ũtukũ rangi rũcinĩ, ũguo tũrahũrirwo mũtigecirie Ngai nĩ gũtheka aratheka. Tũretire Benihini oke haha nĩgetha bũrũri ũhone, rĩu nĩ twacokia ironda bũrũri-inĩ. Rekei tuonera Ngai egwĩka. President na deputy nĩ wanene aitũ na nĩ moĩ ũrĩa kũrathiĩ na mbere na nĩ mwatũkirĩra. Reke Ngai adili na inyuĩ. Thank you.
My name is Reverend Dixon Wambugu. I'm the EAK Chair, Starehe Sub-County. I'm here with the blessings of Nairobi County EAK. This morning I was called by the chairman, EAK Nairobi, Bishop Njau, and he has told me they are behind this press conference. And I'm here in the Nairobi County. We are over 8,000 pastors in the EAK. And I've come today to represent the EAK Nairobi County because of the handling of the bishop. The handling, how these police officers, the MD Leruis, whoever was concerned, the handling of the bishop was not the right way. And we condemn the handling. We may not know the issues of the land, but the handling of the woman of God. Who doesn't know Bishop Wanjiru in the nation of Kenya? Even the MD Leruis, the police officers, even the young people who are being employed today, they know Bishop. And if you can handle Bishop Wanjiru, a public figure, you can handle that. You can handle her that way. Then that one is telling the church, especially in Nairobi and the EAK, that there is no respect for the servants of God. And this one is telling us the pastors out there who cannot speak, they are suffering a lot in the hands of police officers, in the hands of government officials. This nation is 87% Christian, and we don't imagine the nation 87% Christian handling their bishop and more their renowned bishops in such a way. There are ways we can handle issues, but that is not the way. These police officers and the MD and whoever was concerned, I believe they are working for the national government. So this one is telling us the government that we say is a Christian government. Our president is born again, is an evangelist, is a Pentecostal. What is happening is raising many questions to us. Do we have somebody in the government who is representing the church? And if we don't have, then we prepare to have one of us, maybe in the next generation, or we start planning our church, our members and our pastors. We look for our representative. If those people are there and claiming to be Pentecostal and people of God, they are not representing the church, then we need to know early and know what to do. Thank you very much. And we are very sorry, Bishop, for the handling that was done yesterday. So very, very sorry.